Kokborok. Reform Kokborok. Kokborok sisade. Kokborok sisade.
Sakni Kokbai, Sakni Nambai, Tongmak Hatutu. Ojorak Ketal, Chini Bumung Kesamro, Bum Slengadang. Senai Kere, Kok Sawan, Kachibro. Kachimutairo, Bishu Sansati Gugna Payo.
Kokborok sisade. Kokborok sisade. Kokborok sisade. Reform Kokborok. Reform Kokborok. Reform Kokborok.
And all the leaders here present, city leaders, activists, and different social organization leaders, artists, singers, everyone. Since I don't know, we know that the demand for Roman script for Kokborok Joba, it has been more than a decade. It has been more than 50 years that the demand for Roman script has been placed to the government, but till now we know that the government are silent and they were a silent spectator. They never wanted the issues of the indigenous people to be solved. And today from this very gathering in this sit-in demonstration, I want to pass the message to the government and as well as to all the people, the Kokborok speaking people especially, to choose our script should be decided by the indigenous people, by the Kokborok speaking people, by the Kokborok speaker. What language, what script to choose for us language? It is the matters of us, of our people. It is not the matters of any other community. It is because we know that the language is our pride identity. Since I know that Kokborok language is one of the richest language. We have so much pride and identity in our language. I want to remind my dear fellow peoples, my dear friends, brothers, in the history, looking back, we know that there is a creation of different country based on language movement. That is the example we know in our neighboring country. Bangladesh has not been just created. There is a movement for language, for the identity, for the protection of language of Bengali. That is why just after the independence of India and Pakistan, there was a movement of language, of Bengali language. That is how the Bangladesh has been created. They succeeded in 1971. There was a creation of Bangladesh in 1971. This is all the result of the language movement of the Bengali people for their language. In the same way, from this very gathering, I want to pass the message that we shall overcome. We will win. We'll bring the victory. We'll write in Roman script whatever we want. It is our identity. It's a matter of
to make any MLA or MDC. This is to die for our Roman script and for our Kokborok. If you are ready to die, you come. Please come here. Don't expect that this platform will make MLA or MDC or any chairman or more promise like MLA MDC chairman. Please. And any neta, okay, if he loves Roman script, if he loves Kokborok, please आजाओ, इसमें बैठो, हमारे साथ इनकलाब जिंदाबाद करो, ठीक है? Okay, at the same time, angkai kaisa 30 point kan, seluruh last 50 years political develop kali pelajar, androl kali pelajar, tabu ini platform sini, sarani nayo, sini dol ditorok baite, gokan ditorok baite. Let us make a social revolution. Social revolution. Samajik develop kali gaya. No political gain, no political solution. Kerana politically overpun dengan solution mereka. Amuno ang cinta kalayo, amuni bagian ang saranayo, apin kalian tu every educated, every corner, every people, young, old, everybody, every society, semua social revolution. Samajik develop kali gaya. Abosara, ekor chance kere, success nani. Fourthly, ang precisely saranayo, je Chini Kokborok Sanani. To speak our Kokborok is at our liberty. Chini Sadinota at our liberty. Oro kebuno sun bahogola trimo biya kebuno musumani biya Chini Kok Mani Kok Sanani Jotoni Odika. If Kokborok non-speaking group they speak their own language, we appreciate. But then I appeal to the non-Kokborok speaking group to appreciate our language because this is my mother tongue. The way you love your mother tongue, you must love and respect my mother tongue also. Angkai awal dibandingkan ang appeal kalayo for non-speaking people. Ang kebuno Joni Samo buya, ang kebuno Nasri Sanan buya. This is not a platform to hate anybody, to revolt against anybody. But then we humbly petition, submit our petition. We humbly appeals to our non-speaking people. Please, you must, the way you love your language, you must show your love and respect for our Kokborok also. Then only there is Sabani Koktongo, Nana Basa, Nana Bombo, Nana Puritan, Bibi Deri Magat Majadeko, Milan Mohan. If that is the case, then the way you love your language, you must love my Kokborok also. Then only Milan Mohan. There is possible of Milan Mohan. Hey, Diba, I don't know, can you go Nasir Zago? And say, Kok Resawa, Milan Mohan. Hey, Diba, there cannot be any Milan Mohan. You must respect my Kokborok also. Okay, take a sana yo Chini learned speaker Sakino Saitaka Amo commission cannot solve any problems. Setting the commission, last 50 years we have tried. Last 50 years in commission, Laikha commission, Kokborok commission, Samasoran commission, did not solve. These are all politicized. These are all politicized. Ang kabuk sana nayo, appeal kalayo, ini o platform ni matome, there should be referendum. Ang kok sanay, ang kamu bay kok sanay, kamu bay sinay, this is my liberty at my liberty. Amo ni badinay no, tini sunjok to sa no, 99% Kokborok speaking group, they want Roman script. Roman script. Let there be referendum. Ready? Ground of policy who loves Roman script. Referendum. Or commission, let there be referendum, then the finally government will decide. As a social regulation, the beginning of social regulation, Manda Hassel Sampani Manda Pagay, Takute Buko, Jotunana, humble request Kalayo, social regulation, ini simi oro camera peskan masale Chirig problema biya, it will continue. Abo protector puna kajia who we want Roman spirit for Kokborok. Kaje kunca kok sainai angkai nahayani sobani cibai yapere amari hamai ko khani hamar anda ko yapere ani ko thai se thai orno bataka lonely Kokborok manso.